All right, so if you have a bid line that you'd like to create where you ask for more than one pairing, but want to put a limit and still have the system understand that there's an order of preference among those pairings that you would like, the option to use is pairing number departing on. So if you want to just add a bid line to your bid, let's see over here and I'll do insert below. Under award pairings, you want to scroll down until you find pairing number departing on. Make sure to toggle this ordered so that it becomes blue, so that the system understands that the order in which you're going to add these pairings is the order that you would like it to be awarded in. Please note that in order to use this ordered function, you have to have a pairing number and a date. All right, so what we're going to do first is select the pairing. So for example, maybe I want M5026. And it operates on multiple days. You can see that in blue, but I want it on the 23rd. Add it into my little box right here. All right, so that's my first choice, and now I want to indicate another choice. So I'm going to go back here, reset this, because I no longer want to use M5026, which is the one that was selected originally. So I'm going to reset that, maybe go to my next choice, maybe M5025. Add that into my little box down here, and you'll notice that the order in which they appear here is the order in which they appear on the line, and you want to make sure that it says order. That way the system understands that you want this one first and then this one if possible. You can also add a limit to this, and the system would understand if you say limit 1 that it is to try to give you this one first, and if it does, then the limit has been reached and that's the one you get. Otherwise it would go to the next one. So just continuing here with another example, I want to reset it. Maybe this time choose M5024. Click on that, add that. So I have my choices down here. And let's say you wanted to move the order here. You could click them, move that up, move it back down. Whatever order is here, again, is the one that's there. Then if you want to go and add a limit, you want to go back to award pairings, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on limit, and then maybe you want to add a limit of 1, apply, close that up, and you have your bid line. Keep in mind, however, that limits are ignored during coverage, but otherwise, if we're speaking outside of the coverage process, what this would do is the system would try to give you M5026 on the 23rd. If it was able to, then the limit is reached and you only get that one. If it's unable to give you that one, then it tries to give you this one, and so forth.